Hello students, let's have a look on what do we mean by inverse function. So what is inverse function? For inverse function, we should be having the function which is going to be one-to-one correspondent. Okay, so whatever f we are having, it should be one-to-one correspondence from set A to B. One-to-one correspondence, so you can say bijection, means it needs to be one-to-one as well as on-to function. Okay, so the inverse function of f is a function that assigns to an element B belonging to B the unique element A in A such that f of A equal B. So if f of A equal B, it is there. So how I am going to write the inverse function for the same is I am going to write f inverse, and it would be f inverse of that B element will be assigned to A whenever f of A is equal to B. So जैसे अगर f of A equal B है तो inverse f inverse B क्या हो जाएगा? A हो जाएगा. This is a diagram. Say here I am having my two sets A and B, and this is a function from A to B. So f inverse would be a function from B to A because it is inverse, right? So it would be a function from B to A, and if I say f of A is equal to B, f of A is equal to B, now I would say f inverse of B is going to be the element A. If a one-to-one correspondence is called invertible because we can find the inverse of it. If the function is non-invertible, it means that it is not having one-to-one correspondence, and of course we cannot find the inverse of the function. Okay, so let's have a look on the sum, how we can find the inverse of some functions. We know the meaning of inverse. Okay, so now we are going to see a sum on that. Say if f is a function from ABC to 1 to 3, so these are my two sets ABC and 1 to 3. So this is a function f from ABC to 1 to 3 such that f of A equal 2, f of B equal 3, f of C equal 1. So I am going to have an arrow that way, f of A equal 2, f of B equal 3 and f of C equal 1. So assignments हो गया. अभी I have to check whether if the function is invertible or not, and if it is, what is the inverse of the function. So when a function is going to be invertible, when it is going to have one-to-one correspondence. Okay, one-to-one correspondence, so you can say bijection. तो ये one-to-one भी है, हर एक एलिमेंट को असाइंड है दूसरे सेट को, और यहाँ पे हर एक एलिमेंट जो है उसके पास कोई ना कोई असाइनमेंट आ रहा है फ्रॉम द अदर सेट, प्रीवियस सेट, राइट. सो ये ऑन टू भी है, तो ये बाइजेक्टिव हो गया. बाइजेक्टिव मीन्स वन टू वन करस्पॉन्डेंस, राइट. सो दिस फंक्शन इज इन्वर्टिबल बिकॉज इट इज अ वन टू वन करस्पॉन्डेंस ओवर हियर. एंड व्हाट इज द इनवर्स? आई एम गोइंग टू सी हियर एफ इनवर्स ऑफ ए, एफ ऑफ ए इक्वल 2 है, राइट. सो एफ इनवर्स ऑफ 1 क्या हो जाएगा? सी. एफ इनवर्स ऑफ 2 इनवर्स देखना है ना, तो ये सेट को पहले देखोगे. एफ इनवर्स ऑफ 1 इज सी, एफ इनवर्स ऑफ 2 इज आई गो बैक ए, एफ इनवर्स ऑफ 3 इज सी. सो आई हैव डन दैट. द फंक्शन इज इन्वर्टिबल as well as I have found the 3 inverses of my given function. Now a question for you to think on that, if f is a function from R to R with f of x equal x square, so here one set is x and the other set is x square, so whether that function is going to be invertible or not. Think on this and leave the answer in the comment section.